Hello everyone, myself Professor Suryamshi Satish Vishwasrao. I have been working at Gyanbas Opanram Mose Junior College, Eroda Pune 6 for last 20 years as a maths teacher. I welcome you all in math learning session. Now today we are going to learn or today we are going to discuss about the examples on implicit function. So exercise number 3. If y is equals to root of cos x plus root of cos x plus root of cos x plus dash 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 infinity, then show that dy by dx is equals to sin x upon 1 minus 2. Second one, if y is equals to root of log of x plus root of log of x plus root of log of x plus dash 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 infinity, then show that dy by dx is 1 upon x into 2y minus 1. Then similarly, if y is equal to this one and if x raised to power y is equals to e raised to power x minus y, then show that dy by dx is equals to log x upon 1 plus log x square. Then how to solve this example? See one by one. So now let us consider first step. So given this function y is equals to root of cos of x plus root of cos of x plus root of cos of x plus dash dash infinity. Then how to solve this example? It is very simple and very easy to find it. So now consider root cos x plus root of cos x plus root of cos x plus dash dash infinity. So now consider this is equal to say y. So now y is equals to root of cos of x plus y. On squaring both the side. On squaring both the sides. So what is the square on both the sides? Y square is equals to cos of x plus y. So see here. So now consider this is equal to say y. Then y is equals to root of cos x plus y. On squaring both the sides. So square of this is y square and square root cancel. It is cos x plus y. So now differentiate this function with respect to x. Then derivative of y square is 2 times y into derivative of y, which is dy by dx, by applying chain rule here. Derivative of y square is 2 times y and then derivative of y is dy by dx. Derivative of cos of x is minus sin of x plus dy by dx. Then what is implicit function? After differentiation, take terms involving dy by dx on one side, remaining terms on the other side. So it is 2y dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to minus sin x. Therefore, take dy by dx common, 2y minus 1 dy by dx is minus sin x upon minus sin x. So therefore, dy by dx is equal to minus sin x upon minus sin x upon 2y minus 1. So now take minus sign common from the denominator is equal to minus sin x upon. Take minus sign common from denominator. So it is minus is 1 minus 2 times y, then minus minus plus here. So dy by dx is equal to sin of x upon 1 minus 2y is the required answer. So now consider this second example. Consider number 2. So given y is equals to root of log of x plus root of log of x plus root of log of x plus infinity. Similarly, consider this is say y. This is say y. So therefore y is equals to root of log of x plus y here. On squaring both the sides. On squaring both the sides. So square of y square is equal to log of x plus y. Then differentiate this function. Differentiate this function with respect to x. Derivative of y square is 2 times y dy by dx is equal to derivative of y square is 2 times y into derivative of y, which is dy by dx. Derivative of log of x is 1 upon x plus derivative of y is dy by dx. So therefore 2 times y dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x. By using implicit function, take terms involving dy by dx on one side, remaining terms on the other side. So then what is common from this dy by dx? It is 2y minus 1 dy by dx is 1 upon x. So therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 upon x times 2y minus 1 is the required proof or required answer. See here, show that dy by dx is 1 upon x times 2y minus 1 is the answer. So now take this example number 3. So given y is equal to x raised to power x raised to power x raised to power x dash 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 infinity, then now consider this is equals to say y. So y is equals to x raised to power y. Now taking log on both the sides. How to solve this example? Y is equals to x raised to power x. When we apply the logarithmic differentiation, if function power raised to power is given, then it is easy to find the value by using the logarithmic differentiation. So that's why I am taking log on both the sides. Then log y is equals to log of x raised to power y. Then log y is equals to y times log of x. Now differentiate this function with respect to x. Then derivative of log of y is 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to first function derivative of second function plus second function derivative of first function, which is dy by dx. By implicit, take terms involving dy by dx on one side. By implicit function, taking terms involving dy by dx on one side. So minus log of x dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Then take 1 upon y minus log of x. Take dy by dx common, which is y upon x. Now take LCM. What is the LCM? 1 into 1 is 1 minus y times log of x upon y dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Now by taking reciprocal, dy by dx is equal to y upon x into, by taking reciprocal, which is y upon 1 minus y times log of x. Then dy by dx is equal to y square upon x into bracket 1 minus y times log of x is the requirements. Now lastly take this example and then see how to find. Now take this example. Given x raised to power y is equal to e raised to power x minus y. Here in this example, function raised to power function is given, then it is easy to take log on both sides and then simplify it, take differentiation and then to get the answer. Now taking log on both the sides. So log of x raised to power y is equals to log of e raised to power x minus y. Now by applying the formula, log a raised to power n can be written as n times log of a. So y times log of x is equal to x minus y into log of e, but log e to the base is 1. So here y times log of x is x minus y. Give number 1 here. Now taking differentiation. Differentiate this function with respect to x. Then derivative y into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x is derivative of y. Derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of y, which is dy by dx. So therefore y upon x plus log of x dy by dx is equals to 1 minus dy by dx. By implicit, take terms involving dy by dx on one side. It is log of x dy by dx minus, on this side it is plus, it is dy by dx is equal to 1 minus y upon x. Then take common. So log of x plus 1 dy by dx is equal to, by taking LCM by cross multiplication, it is x minus y upon x. By taking reciprocal, dy by dx is equals to x minus y upon x into 1 upon 1 plus log of x. But from 1, what is the value? X minus y is equals to y times log of x. Now from 1, y times log of x is equals to x minus y. Substitute the value of x minus y is y times so from this one we can write y times log x plus y is equal to x, then it is 1 plus log x into y is equal to x. This can be written in the form of this. So y upon x is equals to 1 upon 1 plus log of x. From 1, y log of x is x minus y. So y log of x is x minus y. So y log x plus y is equal to x. So take y common. It is 1 plus log x into y is equals to x. Then y upon x is 1 upon 1 plus log of x. Then substitute the value dy by dx is equal to, what is the value of x minus y? Is y times log of x upon x into bracket 1 plus log of x. Now what you have to find here, show that dy by dx is equals to log x upon 1 plus log x square. So now substitute the value of this. Y upon x is 1 upon 1 plus log x. So dy by dx is equal to log x upon 1 plus log of x into 1 plus log of x. So dy by dx is equal to log of x upon 1 plus log of x bracket square is the required proof. So in this way we can solve this example by using implicit function. So thank you.